Setting up alerts can be a great way to receive notifications of new and modified content on the portal without having to go to the portal. Almost every area on the portal allows you to set alerts. Let's use the announcements area as an example for setting up a new alert. Let's go to the news and then announcements area. Now this is going to show you an entire list of announcements, both new and archived. So to set an alert for this particular area, we're going to look at the top of the page on the List tab of the List Tools ribbon. Microsoft calls this top of a page a ribbon. Notice that there's an Alert Me icon in the middle of this page. Clicking on it shows you the ability to set an alert for this list and to also manage all of your alerts. Let's go ahead and set a new alert for this list. The first thing we have to do is name our alert. Imagine that over time you're going to have several alerts for different areas of the site, so make sure to name it something that's easily understandable. It's showing that this alert is for you and it'll be going to your email address. Below that, there are several preferences. For example, you can receive an alert when anything changes, when new items are added, when existing items are modified, or even when items are deleted. As far as changes, getting alerts on changes, there are several preferences that you can review. Lastly, you can receive a notification immediately, a daily summary, or a weekly summary. And set the time on one of those. Let's go ahead and set the OK to the default. And before I showed you could manage your alerts from that icon, I also wanted to point out that you can manage all of your alerts from your user profile. Clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner and then My Settings allows you to get to your profile page, and there's a My Alerts link there. This is going to show you all of your alerts that are active, including the one we just added. You can delete it, or clicking on it allows you to modify the settings. Now there's going to be a couple emails that show up once you set an alert. The first email is going to simply say that your alert was set successfully. You'll have a link to the portal, a link to manage your alerts. But you can go ahead and delete this email. The next type of emails that you will receive are, of course, based on your alert settings. In this case, we're receiving an announcement has changed alert because of the announcement-based alert we just sent. So here I can see that the entire announcement is actually shown to me in my email. In this case, it was a change. If I scroll down, I'll actually see what it was, a strike through on those items changed, and then what it is now. In our example, just a simple font change was made. In addition, you'll see a link to the portal, a link to modify your own alerts, a link to this particular announcement, a link to the rest of the content in this area, in this case, other announcements. And lastly, if you're looking at this on a phone, you can switch to a mobile view.